Good morning guys and welcome back. In this video we're going to start the last part of this course and it is data analysis using Excel. In order to do this, we're going to first start by adding this data analysis on Excel. How to add it? Go to Excel, click on File, and then click on More Options. And then inside Options you have to click to Add-ins. And then here inside Manage Excel Add-ins, you have to click on Go. And then you have to select Analysis Toolpack, click OK. And whenever you select this Analysis Toolpack, you have to go to Data and you have to see this Data Analysis. Now inside Data Analysis, we have a lot of tools inside Excel and we're going to cover some of them in the next video. But before going to the next video, I want you guys to understand why is it important to do some data analysis. In fact, the ability to analyze data is a powerful skill that helps us make the best decision. And Microsoft Excel is one of the top tools for data analysis and the most popular analytical tool. Let's see why in the next video. Thank you.